your feelings, then that's not going to work, right? Because the priority in healing is to care for the other person. You're caring for them. You're caring for their heart. You're caring for their feelings, and you're helping them heal. And if what you're doing, which seems really important to you, and I'm sure it is, to make those amends, the way that you're doing it is reopening that wound and kind of re-examining it, and that's hurtful to the other person, then you're not really making amends. What you're doing is a selfish act of trying to heal yourself.
Yes. And I think, selfishly, it is about healing yourself to a certain degree in recovery, because, and I get what you're saying, but I think what a lot of people too that don't have a drug and alcohol problem, that haven't recovered from that and are living in recovery, don't understand that our inability as people in recovery to let go of things.
Yeah.
And to be able to, look, if you've wronged somebody, it's not good enough just to let go. In my opinion, it's not good enough. You have to make, like, they say this a lot. You can get a horse thief sober, but they're still a horse thief, right? So it's not good enough
to just let
to
it
just
go.
get, like, you have to not do that again. Like, you have to that has to become a practice of your character, of who you are, right?
Right. I don't think letting it go is the answer. There's got to be a way. But if the way you want to is creating more harm, then your intention is, and you're doing it anyway, knowing that that's for you, that's not for them.
Thank you for watching this Recovered Life segment. At Recovered Life, we are all about helping you live your best recovered life. So please like this video and share it with someone you know who could really use it. Also, feel free to join our free weekly newsletter at recoveredlife.us and get great information like this sent to your inbox every week.